In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn threat protection. Welcome. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone just getting started with VPNs, Nordvpn's threat protection feature is an essential tool for protecting your online activities. By the end of this guide, you'll understand not just how to activate it, but also why it's an invaluable addition to your digital security toolbox. First things first, open the Nordvpn app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you do so and get everything set up. For those of you who already have it, let's dive right in. Before we proceed, take a moment to ensure that the app is updated to the latest version. This is crucial because updates often come with important security enhancements and bug fixes that can make your experience smoother and more secure. Once you've confirmed you're running the latest version, log in if you haven't already. Enter your credentials and get into the dashboard where you can access all the features NordVPN offers. Now let's focus on the feature of the moment, threat protection. In your dashboard, look for the threat protection section. It might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's designed to be user friendly. Once you locate it, you'll see a turn on button. Go ahead and click that. It's as simple as flipping a switch. After activating threat protection, you'll be glad to know that this feature works system wide, which means your browser and apps benefit from enhanced security even when you're not connected to a VPN server. This provides continuous protection against threats like malware and intrusive ads, both of which can compromise your privacy and trouble your web experience. Using threat protection ensures that your device is safeguarded against malicious threats from different sources. While many of us are familiar with using VPNs to encrypt our internet traffic, this feature adds another layer of defense by actively blocking trackers and harmful websites before they have a chance to reach you. It can truly transform how you interact with the digital world by making it safer and more private. To summarize, by activating NordVPN's threat protection, you're stepping up your security game significantly. It's easy, effective, and seamlessly integrates into your digital routine, giving you peace of mind as you browse the internet, whether leisurely or for work. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide empowers you to make the most out of NordVPN and all the security enhancements it offers. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep your online activities safe and secure. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.